Bad or good choice?
Are you looking for something that helps you if you have an allergy, like pollen allergy, grass, milben, or bed
Mites.
hair from the cats or animal hair? Yeah, then this one is for you. So please watch my videos and I'll tell you because this is one is a good choice and it is not so expensive, guys. I was sparing or trying to save some money to buy
One more purifier. By Amazon or by its own website, Beurer.com.
yeah, and this I compare this to the one Dyson. Dyson is also good, but this one have I think this one is better not only for the price. It has 99.9 filter performance. It's good for the rooms up to 54 square meter and it has UV or ultraviolet light. So this air purifier is the one I want to unbox and share you guys, and also the filter. That was the point, guys. That's why I don't buy that other one. The popular one here in Germany is because of the cost of the filter. Yeah. I am here now in our living room and I have we have here living kitchen. That means the living room and the kitchen are together, or open living room. I don't know the other term for, but that's why I get this one. And so let me unbox this. So, oh, this one is heavy. Wait, this is heavy. And yeah, oh, it is heavy. That's why it's a little bit destroyed. But that is not the point, guys. So we'll take it out from this here. Wait. It has this HEPA 13 filter system. Yeah, so 3 filters here, guys. And that's what I said before. It kills those bacteria. It looked like this. Yeah. 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 No. Oh gosh. Yeah. So I have the manual here. Oh. Yeah. This is here the manual. It's written in German, in English, and French, Spanish, Italian, Turkish, Russian, and Poland. Oh, that was at the bottom. That's why. Yeah. So, and it says here, well, there's more here. This is it. It's written here for baby care, medical, for beauty, well-being, and active. Yeah, so this is the company Beurer. It's not a paid commercial, guys, but yeah, I love this. I have reviews and feedback about this. Yeah, so that's why I bought this one, guys. Further to our unboxing is here. Wait. Oops. Oh, I hope it's not kaput. Yeah, guys. Also. And this is how it looked like at the back side. Yeah, it says important. The air purifier is shipped with filters stored in the filter compartment. The filters are shipped in bags to prevent degradation. Before using, remove the filters, then remove and discharge bags. It has a long cord. Yeah, and it is made in Ulm, Germany. You can carry this everywhere. In the front side, it has this on and off automatic fan, UV, and also timer. So, and also showing if you have to replace the filter. So guys, I opened it and it is inside. This the filter is in black, and you can put also the date, yeah, together with all of those bottoms. So let me assemble it for a while. And this is how it's look like inside, guys. And this is the filter. Yeah, it's a 3 filters here. It's 13 HEPA filter. So let me open it, guys, and we will build in here and we will try how loud are the noises. According to the manual, we should change this filter for after using 4,320 operating hours. And yeah, we put it like it is written here. It is magnetic. Let me put the date here. Today is April 22, 2024. So let's check it, guys. It is now on, guys. Yeah, and I put it in 8-hour timer. You can hear the sounds. It's in the second level. Yeah, how about if we put in to fun? This is the noise. Really not annoying. If you are watching the TV, like what I said, I am here in a living room. As you can see, this one, like an electric fan. And as of now, I am satisfied. I am using this for about 30 minutes now, guys, and I can say that the air here is pure. No more smell from the steak that I cooked. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye and God bless. Lily here. Please don't forget to subscribe.